back to Taylor Plays, and today I'm just going to do part 2 of like my slime challenge. So make sure you guys watch my first one because I was like fixing it, and now I'm just going to show it to you. So here it is right now. But actually, I'm going to make a swirl into it, the bowl. Oh, kind of wet in the bottom for some reason. Okay, me. Oh, it's hard. Here, let me add this out of whipping cream. That would be nice. See? Just the top. It's kind of hard though. It helps. Okay, here it is. Look at that. It looks so nice. Okay, so I'm actually gonna add in my sprinkles, my things, and it's dripping. I just take out some of the slime. It's too much. Ready, it's too much slime. Ready, take it out. Ready. Perfect. It's good. So like, it's that. It's gonna be like a drink, a purple drink. Like I guess you could say magical drink. I don't really know. I added some beads to the top, like that. It's very add a little bit more. Very. Now I'm gonna show you guys it. Second, ready. Here it is. And now I need to add in the like I guess you could say shaving board or I don't know what this honestly is. Just design. Right. It doesn't look that good, but it's fine. At least it's still something. So I'm gonna show you some of this slime first. And then I'm gonna mix in. Here is this one, and then I'm gonna show you this one. It'll be as super quiet as I can, so then you guys could hear good ASMR. Well, it's not really good ASMR, but yeah. Hey guys, so that was the ASMR for today. This slime is pretty sticky by adding all the lotion I never knew. But I mean, it is still very melted, so I'm just gonna knead it more. Yeah, I'm gonna put in some. I think I'm good here. But yeah, it is very sticky now. But I'm just gonna try to knead it and hope for the best. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a video too. So yeah, okay, see, it should be good. It is very nice. It is kind of melted, as you can see. I don't know if you guys see. It doesn't really look like it's melted, but technically it is melted. See, like that. I'm just going to knead it more and twist it really fast so that it doesn't, like I'm not not used to playing Slime very fast, but oh gosh, my spoon fell on. Put it in here. You guys, I think it is good. Look at that. I mean, it is still very sticky. It's very drippy. It is very liquidy too. It's very glossy, as you can see. It's a thick base and it is very glossy. I think it is very sticky too. That's fine. It'll be fine. It's cookie. Okay. It is a cookie. That is good. Very structured and very nice at making bubbles. And I'm glad. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also, I might do a part 3 of showing the slime. This slime. So yeah, it's very nice. And also comment down below what name I should name this wonderful and amazing slime. So yeah, you guys have 2 choices. Grape or like magical island or something. Anything you want, just comment down below, and whoever like says that more, like, but guys cannot say it twice, so that's just cheating. And I want everybody, I just want to know your ideas. I'm just gonna look at them and see which one I like, and also might be your guys that you guys commented. Also make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also make sure to subscribe. So yeah, if you guys want me to do more videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. So yeah, it's very nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys really quick Tony's mark. And you see, it is pretty good now. It's very crackly. So I'm going to show you guys a schema now. Just do it in a swirl. It's very hard to do a swirl. But I'll try to. Oh gosh, I cannot. It's fine. Let me show you guys it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And make sure to hit the bell down below. And yeah, guys, I love you so much. Bye.